Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they know what to rank it for. So you'll see I put in your URL here, and then I head down here to your H1 tags, and it looks like you actually don't have an H1 tag. So the H1 tag is the main heading of your website, which in your case would be, instead of here or even above it, it's the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. The other item that goes hand in hand with the metadata is the metadata when you do a Google search. For example, I did one for Sonoma County landscaping, and you can see these blue lines. These are all the metadata. And you can see that the top guy, he's talking about Sonoma County landscaping. And that's why he's at the top position. So when we pull yours, you're not really found anywhere in Google for Sonoma County landscaping or anything like that. So if you go to your title page, you'll see why. Your title page is actually Jake Moss Designs, landscape designer, contractor. And I bet if you Googled Jake Moss Designs, you'd be number one, because that's what Google thinks you're about. But obviously nobody's going to Google Jake Moss Designs when they're looking for a landscaper. They're going to Google a keyword like Sonoma County landscaping, Sonoma County landscapers, or landscapers near me, or a similar keyword. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. Just these small little changes will really help you rank. And then also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't use Google, because a lot of business owners will Google their company keyword and then look for themselves. And then as the weeks go by, you just keep checking the same Sonoma County landscaping, and then slowly Google is going to start moving that up because they already see what you're looking for. So instead, you always want to use a third-party tool. I actually use a tool called Rank Tracker. It's a free subscription if you wanted to get a 30-day subscription, but you don't have to. Anyways, I went ahead and put your URL here and then added some keywords. And this site will actually rank and check your keyword ranking every single day. So I actually put in your website just to show you that you're ranking number one for Jake Moss Designs. But again, no one's going to Google that. And then other keywords like Sonoma County landscaping architects, Sonoma County landscaping companies, you're like on page 2 for there, page 3, page 4, 5. So really, these can really significantly change if you just update your H1 and your metadata based on whatever your main keyword is. So I thought that would help you. And then also, I just wanted to let you know, I really like the vibe of your website, but there's just a couple of things that I think I could make more appealing. But more importantly, we can get you ranked on the first page of Google, which would significantly increase your income, because really that's where 90% of traffic is, because most people don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. So if you have any questions, just reply to this email and let's get you onto the first page of Google and get your phone ringing. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you much success.